Welcome to Chandler's Glen Ranch Homes, where owning your very own ranch home is easy and affordable. Hi, I'm Holly. Are you looking for a change? You're probably asking yourself, is this the right community? Are these the right homes? Can I even afford it? Come with me, let's explore together. We offer ranch homes that fit exactly what you need to live a low-maintenance lifestyle. Our simple process allows you to finally own a new ranch home. Plus, we have very low out-of-pocket costs, which means you don't need to have much to start the process. Oh, and buying a home in West Virginia also means lower taxes compared to our surrounding areas. From the large island to the brand new stainless steel appliances, the kitchen is equipped with everything you need to feel like a gourmet chef, even when it's takeout night. Welcome to your main level owner's retreat. After a long day, it's time to escape and unwind in your luxurious space that's all your own. Outdoor living never looked this good. You'll love your new view of the open green space and evening strolls down the paved pathways. Oh, and your furry friend will love to run and play at the dog park. Chandler's Glen Ranch Homes are located just 10 minutes from Winchester, Virginia, and 15 minutes to Martinsburg, West Virginia, offering easy access to Route I-81. So, are you ready to make a change? Spend less time on maintenance and more time on the things you love? Schedule your visit to Chandler's Glen Ranch Homes today. I hope to see you soon. Take care.